I've noticed many Faceless YouTube channels quickly getting views and getting monetized within 5 minutes often and with just 5 videos. Thanks to AI talking avatars, after doing some research, I found an effective method of how you can create your own talking avatar by just using your mobile device and some data. Stay tuned to the end of this video because by the end of this video, you have everything you need to create your own talking avatar. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you want to go ahead and click on your Canva right here. Now once you're in your Canva, you want to go ahead and click on the search bar right there. And you want to go ahead and search for YouTube video. Once you've searched for YouTube video, go ahead and click on create a blank video. Now this is going to bring you to a blank canvas right here. All you want to do is go ahead and click on gallery right here. Now once you've clicked on gallery, you want to go ahead and click on the image that you want to upload and use as your avatar. In this case, I'm going to use this image right here, so I'll go ahead and click on add to page right there. As you can see, this right here is my image. What I want to do is resize it so that it can fit the whole canvas. After resizing the image, I want to go ahead and click right here. Then the next step, you want to go ahead and add a mask onto this image. All you want to do is go ahead and click on the gallery right here. So this is a mask I was able to download from my Google Chrome, and I just want to go ahead and click on it. You can use any other mask like a black mask, blue mask, but we want to use a bright color because a bright color is noticeable. So you want to go ahead and click on add to page right there. As you can see right here, our image has been uploaded, but it has a white background and we want to remove that. So you want to go ahead and click on background remover right here so that you can remove the white background from the mask. Now, as you can see right there, our mask has been cleaned up, and all you want to do is just go ahead and resize it so that it can fit the character's mouth, fit the face of our head, and you just want to go ahead and move these. Then I want to proceed to the next step, which is going to be duplicating this first canvas right here. So you want to go ahead and click on that right there. Then go ahead and click on duplicate. Now once you've clicked on duplicate, you want to go ahead and click on this first one right here and then click right there. So you want to go ahead and add another mask onto this second duplicated canvas. So you want to go ahead and click on gallery right there, and then you want to repeat the procedure by clicking right there and then add to page. Now after adding another mask right here, you want to do the same thing as we did to the first one. You want to go ahead and remove the background by just clicking on the background remover, which is totally free. So once you've done that, you want to go ahead and resize this so that I can fit the character's mouth, but the second mask should be slightly bigger than the first mask because there is a certain effect that we want to achieve. We put it slightly above the first one, so we want to go ahead and leave it right there. If you try to slide through this like this, as you can see, it's like, are you seeing that? We created some kind of effect. If you try to go through the slides like this, you can see it's like the mask is moving. Go to the next step by clicking on that. Then you want to go ahead and scroll through this, and you want to change the time right here, scrunch it down to, you want to go ahead and scrunch this down to 0.1 second. It's gonna be moving fast, so fast. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on apply to all pages, like right there. Now click right there. As you can see, it's now 0.1 second. It means that it's pretty fast. Now if you try to play it, you cannot even notice it. You see that? You can't notice it. So what you want to do, in order to increase on the time this thing is taking, you want to go ahead and click on these three dots right there, and after clicking right there, you want to go ahead and click on view all pages. Once you've clicked on view all pages, you want to go ahead and click on the fast page right there, and then you want to go ahead and scroll through these. Now go ahead and click on select right there. Then you want to go ahead and select that. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on duplicate like that. Now again, go ahead and click on duplicate this again, duplicate again and again. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now once you've done that, after doing that, you want to go back to the top right there, click on the first one, then you want to go ahead and click on select right there. So you want to go ahead and select all of them, but in the right order. So you want to go ahead and this one's already selected, so you want to go ahead and select number 2, number 3, number 4 right there, number 5, 6. Once you've selected all of them, you want to go ahead and click on duplicate all 10 of them. So you want to go ahead and click on duplicate right there, and then duplicate right there. The reason why we're doing this is we want to create a long form video. So we don't want a video to be 5 seconds, 10 seconds. It depends on the amount of time that you want. So just think about it, 0.1 second multiplied by the number of minutes that you want. So that is gonna be the number of videos you wanna duplicate. So right now we have 30. We can go ahead and duplicate 10 more to go to 40, and then 10 more to reach 50. So let's try this out by going to the top, the very first video right here. So go ahead and click on that video, and as you can see right here, we've managed to create now 50 videos. Means 5 seconds of these videos. It's all up to you. It depends on how long you want your video to be like, but since we have now 5 seconds of this video, we can always go ahead and copy all those 50 videos and then duplicate them time after time. So it means that we're going to be duplicating 5 seconds of every time we duplicate. It's going to be 5 seconds. So if you want to play this right here, as you can see, it's like it's moving. You can change the time if you want. You can always go ahead and change the time right here. So we could bring the time to 1.5 seconds. And so let's try to play this. It depends on your speech. If you're a fast speaker, you can always go ahead and increase and decrease the time all the way to 0.1. But if you're a slow speaker like me, I can always go ahead and use this, which is noticeable, as you can see that. But this is too slow. You want to go ahead and change that by clicking right there again. Then you want to go ahead and click on the time right there. It's at 4 seconds. Let's put it at 0.6 right there. So after doing that, you want to go ahead and try it out and see. As you can see, it's already moving, and if I try to voice over this, let me just try a voice over like some kind of a welcome video. So I'm just gonna try this. So click. Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create your talking avatar. As you can see, that is nice and smooth, and it doesn't require you to invest in any kind of money. All you have to do is just have your mobile device and some internet so that you can create this. Now, once you're done with everything, you can always go ahead and save this avatar that you just created to your device by simply clicking right above here, and then you want to go ahead and click on download right here. Once you've done that, you can always leave this, but if this quality bar is all the way this side, it's recommended that you can move it right here so that you can have a clear video and achieve high quality that you want. So you want to go ahead and click right here so that you can download that video, which is in the MP4. And once you're done with that, and that is it. If you like this video, you want to go ahead and click on the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you don't miss any video that I'm going to be uploading. See you in the next one, and peace.